construction professionals. Construction sector plays a major part in a country's economic development. Considering Sri Lanka, after the end of the war, the construction industry was expanded with many infrastructure development projects around the country, especially in the categories of transport, energy, water, environment, waste management, aero, maritime trade hub, high-rise constructions, housing and townships, industrial cities, and tourist cities. The workforce operations are the lifeblood of a construction project. But the recent sources reveal that the performance of Sri Lankan workforce is not at a sufficient level for improving the productivity of construction operations. The skill shortage was identified as a significant factor for this. Considering the Sri Lankan economy, it is gradually transitioning from a mere labor-sending economy into one that both sending and receiving workers in the local labor market. This highly influenced the Sri Lankan economy, whereby the local income outflows to foreign nations. This video is about a special message to the Sri Lankan construction sector in order to take the ideal steps for this problem. An extensive investigation was conducted on the construction workforce performance by these academic experts from the Faculty of Engineering, University of Peradeniya and the Wimber University of Sri Lanka. The skills of Sri Lankan workforce was systematically compared through appropriate research methods against the foreign workforces, namely Chinese, Indian, Bangladeshi, Nepalese, Arabian, Korean, and Malaysian. The final results show that the skill levels of Sri Lankan workforce is at low level. The Sri Lankan construction industry must have an attention on this. To achieve the level of the leading foreign workforces like Malaysian, Korean, and Chinese, the current practices should be upgraded with the scope of improving the productivity and performance of workforce operations. A further investigation conducted on these aspects by the same investigators. Considering the results obtained, a diploma program was systematically developed using appropriate research methods and techniques. The diploma program was developed to the construction supervisors or technical officers who are capable of applying supervision practices on labor operations to improve the performance of labor in the construction projects. The name of this training program is Diploma in Construction Labor Productivity and Performance Management. This can be shortly called as DCLPPM. The DCLPPM provides the career path for the construction supervisors and technical officers. The qualification of this diploma will be Sri Lankan Qualification Framework Level 3, which is equivalent to National Vocational Qualification Framework Level 5. The DCLPPM is going to be offered by the Faculty of Technology of the Wimber University of Sri Lanka. It should be highlighted that the industry workers will be able to complete this diploma program within 1 year as a part-time. This program consists of 12 course units which encompasses the elements of competencies with the scope of applying effective, productive and innovative practices in the industry operations through proactive education and training strategies. The industry consultative workshop and the reviews were conducted. The experts revealed that this is an ideal program for the Sri Lankan construction sector which exactly meets the industry need. The DCLPPM program clearly specifies the knowledge, skills, and attitudes required for the construction supervisors as displayed here. Overall, it covers 35% of knowledge components, 44% of skill components, and 21% of attitude components of the supervisors based on the industry expectations. Here, the benefits highlighted for the course followers and construction firms. The benefits for course followers includes SLQF3 NVQ5 qualification certification completion within 1 year part-time and a clear path for future career development, opportunity to involve with modern technologies and innovative practices, labor training experience, recognition and certification, opportunity to become as NVQ assessors, opportunity to receive Best Labor Trainer Award and the Labor Trainer Merit Awards. The benefits for construction firms includes systematic procedure for labor skills assessments and rewarding mechanisms at the construction sites, effective practices using a well-developed performance score system and work grading scheme, productivity measurements and performance assessment practices, productivity improvement with the evidence and the way to profitability. Another big plus of this diploma program is having a panel of well-qualified academic and industry experts. The curriculum development process was developed by the same investigators. The panel includes the advisory members, especially the Vice Chancellor of the Vaimba University of Sri Lanka, the Dean of the Faculty of Technology of the Vaimba University of Sri Lanka, and some other university academics. It is also significantly noted that the highly experienced general managers, directors, project leaders, and engineers are also involving in the DCLPPM team. These industry experts are from the highly graded contractors, namely Maga Engineering Private Limited, Access Projects Private Limited, Access Engineering PLC, Satuta Builders Private Limited, ICC Private Limited, Sierra Constructions Private Limited, Central Engineering Services Private Limited, AMSK Constructions Private Limited, Sunken Constructions Private Limited, and Bonland Constructions Private Limited. Also, the experts are included from the organizations, namely Road Development Authority, Department of Irrigation, Sri Lanka Telecom, Tertiary and Vocational Education Commission, Vocational Training Authority of Sri Lanka, and Construction Industry Development Authority. I hope that this is going to be a very good message to the Sri Lankan construction sector. The applications are called for this diploma program from the construction supervisors and technical officers who are currently working in the construction projects. The application forms and instructions of this diploma program can be downloaded from the university website. The applicants can send the applications personally or through their organizations within the deadline. The organizations who are willing to send their employees are advised to contact the course director through phone or email for early reservations. With this message, I would like to wish for a successful future of the industry.